How to change the keyboard theme on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. By default, set the keyboard theme as a dark mode. So when you open keyboard, like open keyboard, you can see the dark theme on your device. If you want to change the light theme or apply your gallery photo to theme, follow the steps. Open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app, scroll down up to general management, tap the general management, again scroll down, tap on a Samsung keyboard settings, again scroll down. Here you can find the theme option, but here you can see the disable. Turn off the dark mode to select a theme. Means make sure turn off the dark mode on your device. So here we turn off the dark mode. I go to settings, display. You can find the dark mode in display. Select the light mode on your device. Now go back. Again go to settings, general management, Samsung keyboard settings, and now you can see available theme option. Tap on it. Here you can see the color palette. By default, when you select the color palette, it will apply to your keyboard. Also select the dark, solid light. So select the keyboard theme you want to apply in the Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series from the available list. So here we select the solid dark option. So color palette is the icon you select on your device. So keyboard, here you can see the how it look in color palette. You can see tap and hold the blank space on home screen. Wallpaper and style. Here you can see the color palette. Like here we select this color, green color, tap on apply. Now applying color palette icon to your keyboard also. Let's see settings, Samsung keyboard settings, theme. Here you can see the color palette. Tap on a show keyboard. So it's quite easy to change the keyboard theme on your Samsung S25 Ultra or the latest Samsung S25 series. That's it. Like it, share it.